The HandiFoil Ultra Roaster Baker 3-quart is a versatile kitchen essential designed to bring both convenience and high-level performance to your home cooking. These rectangular pans are constructed from high-quality aluminum, which ensures quick and even heating for a wide variety of dishes. Whether you are preparing a savory meat entree, roasting fresh vegetables, or baking a family-sized casserole, this product provides a reliable foundation for consistent culinary results. Measuring approximately 11.75 inches by 9.38 inches, the HandiFoil Ultra Roaster Baker 3-quart offers an ideal size for a range of recipes including fish, poultry, and baked goods. Each pan features sturdy, easy grip rims that allow for confident handling when moving food in and out of the oven. This durability is paired with a disposable design that eliminates the need for soaking or scrubbing, making it a perfect choice for busy weeknight meals, holiday entertaining, or bringing dishes to a potluck. Safety and quality are central to the design of the HandiFoil Ultra Roaster Baker 3-quart, which is kosher certified by the Orthodox Union. These pans are built to be strong enough to support significant weight, though it is always recommended to support the bottom of the pan when removing it from heat. By choosing this 3-pack, you ensure that you have dependable, heavy-duty bakeware ready for any occasion while enjoying the ultimate benefit of a stress-free cleanup process. Pros: excellent quality, great value, very sturdy, easy cleanup, saves time scrubbing, fits perfectly in fridge, good for roasting, great for baking, cooks lasagna perfectly, inexpensive compared to supermarkets, holds plenty of food cons. Not for heavier meats, would like them stronger features. 3-count pack, Ultra Roaster Baker, heavy-duty pans, reusable and recyclable, fits large roasts. The HandiFoil Ultra Roaster Baker 3-quart is a versatile kitchen essential designed to bring both convenience and high-level performance to your home cooking. These rectangular pans are constructed from high-quality aluminum, which ensures quick and even heating for a wide variety of dishes. Whether you are preparing a savory meat entree, roasting fresh vegetables, or baking a family-sized casserole, this product provides a reliable foundation for consistent culinary results. The HandiFoil Pan Ultra Roaster Baker 3-CT offers excellent quality and great value by being very sturdy and inexpensive compared to supermarket prices. These pans are highly versatile for roasting and baking, notably cooking lasagna perfectly and holding plenty of food while fitting conveniently in the fridge. Users appreciate that they save time on cleanup by eliminating the need for scrubbing, though some find they are not ideal for heavier meats and wish the material was even stronger for more demanding tasks.